and welcome back to my channel. I am coming to you all today with yet another video. Here we have the Simply Gilded box. I believe this will be for May, if I'm not mistaken. I don't know if they do the same month or a month ahead, but it'll be in the title because I'll look into it after I get done with this. But before we get any further into this video, if you guys are new here, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. I do all things planner and craft related here, so if you guys are into that kind of thing, you will definitely enjoy this channel. And I just wanted to take a moment again to thank you all. I got a lot of great feedback from the last video. If you missed it, I'll leave it up here. I kind of did a little bit of plan with me, talking about the squad and the outcome of that. So thank you so much for all of your guys' kind words. Again, I said in that video, but again, after seeing the feedback from that, it does remind me of my why. And I'm so grateful for you all to be supporting me and keep rooting me on to do better and greater things. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and get this unboxed. Again, I will do a spoiler alert for the mystery item, so if you guys haven't seen that or haven't gotten your box yet and don't want to be spoiled, don't worry. I won't show it until the very end and you will definitely have a spoiler alert. So let's go ahead and unbox this. All right, so here is the box. The theme is Hello Darling. I really love the beautiful pastel colors and these florals. It is so beautiful. Reminds me of March's box a little bit, but yet that one had more of a peacock theme to it. So I really love the colors of this. We have some peaches here on the back, and then your typical Simply Gilded logos and stuff there. So that's the box. I don't keep the box. The boxes are beautiful. I do love kind of like the attention to detail type stuff. So I do love the box, but I just can't collect all the boxes. I just can't. I thought about maybe cutting this out and maybe using it as like a journaling card for something, but I just get rid of the box. So let me get the things out so I make sure I don't reveal the mystery item. All right, so we have everything out the box. I did remove the mystery item. I will show that at the end again, so don't worry if you do want to see it, and also if you don't, you will be warned before I show it, so you don't have to worry about that. Let's get a little bit closer here. I like to try and go through the card. So this is Hello Darling. It's the May 2020 box, so there we go, it's May 2020. We have the foil journaling card, which is somewhere here. There we go. And it says sunny days ahead. I love it. Oh my God. It makes me want to go ahead and start up that TN, but I don't know, y'all. I don't know. But I do love this little journaling card. I think it's so cute. The next, of course, we have the washi tape. We'll do that last. I do have the add-on, so you can kind of get a little sneak peek of that, but I'll lay it all out for you guys. Once we get there, we have the deluxe sticker kit in seal. So let's go ahead and open that up. Okay, so these mostly have like deco boxes. You have your, I was gonna say days of the week, but they're more like today appointment type headers. These are individual stickers here. There's a couple of peaches. Then you have like some, is this a box? Is this a whole box, or is these like little washi strips? Let's see. Okay, so they are just like tiny little washi strips. It has the foil bows on there. Ton of deco boxes. I love this pattern here. I really love that. It reminds me of like, I don't know why I'm getting like Clueless, but this this background kind of reminds me of Clueless, and I love the little heart on there. So, and then of course you have your icon flags there. Here we go with the days of the week. I love this foil on top of this kind of ash gray. I really love that color combo. So you get two sets of that, one in the gray, one in the pink. Some more deco stickers. We have our checklists down here. Celebrate, planning time. Yeah, just some really functional stickers towards the bottom. Then, of course, I can't pick up all this stuff. We have our bows here. These kind of do remind me, just because of the floral of the March bows that we got in that box. I mean, obviously they are a little bit different, but it does look quite really close to that as well. I love these little heart-shaped icons. I love that it is in the gray. I'm really digging this gray here. So you have all the icons that you can need, like camera, car, like a little fork and spoon, a bow, trash can, all the icons that you need to just label things and put those in your planner. Again, I love, love, love that pattern. I love here that it says gratitude. And of course we have the heart checklists down the middle. This is the last sticker sheet here. And this is, are they hearts as well? Yes, they are hearts. This has been in pretty much every box that I had. I know this is kind of fairly new. As you guys know, my first Simply Gilded box was just in March. So I think that was actually the first month that she had these heart date stickers. And I think it's kind of hard for you guys to see with the pattern, but it is gold foil. And you have all the dates and then some like functional icons here, and they are heart shaped. All right, so next up is the vegan leather sticker book. I know she put a few of these sticker books on sale, but I kind of had a feeling this was going to come in a box soon enough, so I didn't purchase any, and I'm glad I didn't because I do not need more than one of these. There is plenty of space to fill in the stickers. They fit perfectly with the Simply Gilded stickers that you get in the kit. I have a ton of shop stickers that I can fill this bad boy in. I do also love that, first of all, it is a snap feature. I do love that, and I love the scallop there. So cute. But I really love the back pocket, so maybe if you have like some die cuts or anything like that, you can slip those on in here. And it is pretty sturdy. I love how sturdy it is. All right, so next up we have the B6 binding notebook. Usually her B6 notebooks are dot grid. I'm not gonna open this because I just spent like 5 minutes trying to, and I need to move on because I have other things to do. But here is the cover. You guys are gonna see a little bit of my ring light on it because it still has the plastic, but it says Sweet Peach. And there is the back of it, and it's really cute. Once I am able, because I need a pair of scissors that's actually going to cut it until on the other side of the room. Once I do that, I'll stick this into the B6 Traveler Notebook that we got in March box. So I'll stick this one in. You guys know I'm not too much of a TN girl, but I do kind of like the idea of starting to collect the notebooks that she does give in the boxes. The pen here, looks like we always get a pen in the boxes. And just to get up a little bit closer, it just has this floral design in it, or on it, not in it, but it is super cute. And of course you have the Simply Gilded logo on it. And it is just about any other pen, so if you had a Simply Gilded pen before, overall it feels exactly the same. But since I do have one of my Erin Condren notebooks here, I will go ahead and do a little bit of a pen test for you. See, I still have some washi from the last time. Okay, I just ripped the washi off, so that's why that paper looks like that, but it writes pretty well. Like I said, if you had a Simply Gilded pen before you, it's the same. So I do love the way it writes. You guys know I am a Villa Beautiful stan, so that's typically what I go for. But I do love how cute and simple the Simply Gilded pens are as well. Okay, and next up we have the drawstring pouch. This is pretty much where my washi from this box is going to stay. So far, since I only have 3 boxes, I have been keeping the Simply Gilded washi that I get from the box together. I'm not sure if I want to invest into another washi case because I have one that's just about full, and I don't want to buy another one just so I can justify filling that one up. So the Simply Gilded washi that I am getting from these monthly kits are just going to kind of stay in a pouch Here's the pouch. I love how cute it is. It is kind of see-through, but that's not really that big of a deal to me. Just wanted to mention that just in case. You can kind of see the washi's there, but I mean, it's just a drawstring pouch. I think it's really cute. So next up, we did get a bow charm. I'm not much of a charm girl. I'm honestly not a fan of this bow either, because it's kind of what is this material? Velvet? This is, yeah, oh, it says it on here, it's velvet. Yeah, I'm not a fan of velvet, but I do like these two little charms here at the bottom. Yeah, I'm just not a fan of velvet. I don't like the way it feels, but I believe it is meant to just hook on to here, but I guess you can do whatever you want with it. But this is what she did when she did the revealing of everything, and it's cute together. The color combo is cute. Just like I said, I'm not a huge fan of velvet, but I really love these charms. I might just hook it on somewhere in my craft room just to have it. But that is the little bow charm. All right, so next we have the vellum and the acetate sheet. It is bent in half for the B6. Again, I'm not much of a TN girl, so I don't really use this too much, but I do love this floral pattern and this acetate, not acetate, and this vellum. But here it is together. The acetate actually just has bows on it, and the vellum is the one with the floral pattern. So you can make dashboards and things like that. I mean, you can pretty much do whatever you want with it. But like I said, I typically don't get too much use of it, out of it. For the most part, for me, the stickers in the washi is worth the price of admission for this box. And then sometimes the pouch I really love, and the pens too are just kind of like icings on the cake. So I'm going to try to challenge myself to actually use some of the items that I get, because I do have a few other sub box that gives out acetates and these vellum papers, but I need to kind of come up with something to use them so they're just not sitting around. So, all right, so last but not least, we're going to go ahead and get into the washi here. What I'm going to do first is show you all in the packaging, and then I will have it all laid out so you can see. So these washis are the one that automatically comes with the monthly box. I will show you the washi add-on in just a second, but here are 3 here. Let me try to get it as clear as possible with this ring light. So first up, we kind of have like this floral, very pastel, very kind of watercolor washi. And then these two are actually packaged together. They are the thin washi. We have the bows, and this one just has bows with those little dots. Are they hearts? Yeah, they are actually hearts in between there. So there it is. And this one down here with the more peachy tone color is the bow with the line through it. All right, so for the next 3 here, and I'm gonna put this in the middle just for the purposes of differentiating. So the 2 on the end are the floral pattern with the pink background, and then of course we have the bows. Again, the bows are different. This is the same thing I said in my last video for the unboxing for April's box. Is the same thing that I'm going to say here. I do see that the bows are different, but for me, I would much rather have a totally different design on the washi. I do understand that these 2 are 2 different sizes as well, but just me personally, I would much rather just have 2 different designs. So because to me, I just have double the amount of the same kind of washi. And I know technically the bows are different, but that's just my opinion. Here in the middle, we have the days of the week. Ooh, the days of the week washi. They are separated by a heart. I had to look at it and make sure, but yeah, they are separated by a heart. So you have your Monday through Sunday, and you kind of cut it off how you need fit. I do like that. I love a good functional washi. All right, and for the washi add-on, here is the set here. Pretty similar to what we have seen in the past. We have this pink washi here. It looks like it has a little bit of silver. I can't tell too much, so we'll get into it when I roll them out. The next one is yellow with gold, and then we have the blue with the gold bows. and the peachy color with the gold bows and hearts in between. But yeah, we're definitely gonna have to roll this out because I can't tell if it's more of a gray or a foil, so we'll see in just a second. All right guys, so we have the washi all set out here. So up top here we have the 4 add-on washis. We'll go through that really quick. I don't think the camera is really doing it any justice, but remember I was saying I wasn't sure if that was a gray or a silver foil. Well, it is actually a gray. In this pink washi up top here, and I think it is super cute. Of course, next up we have the yellow with the gold, and they both have that same kind of leafy ribbony type of design on it. After that is the blue with the bows, and then we have the peachy color with the bows. The rest of the washi has the gold foil on it. So getting into the washi that actually comes with the box, we have here the floral one with the bows. We have that same kind of design down here as well, but the bows are a bit different. Of course, you have your days of the week washi. All of this is in the foil. Next up is this gold foil with white bows there. It's kind of, there we go, you kind of see it now. And then of course we have I can't wait to talk about this, but the peachy color with the bows, and then you have the lines going through that. There's that. And then last but not least, I didn't think that I was going to like this as much as I do, but I absolutely love it. This washi actually has somewhat of a texture to it. It feels a little bit, I don't want to say, the only word I can think of is coarser. Is that a word? That's the only one that I can think of right now, but it does have a little bit of more texture to it. It actually took me a little bit to unravel it, to kind of grip it and unravel it, but I absolutely love it. It is pretty see-through, so if you have like any lines behind on your planner page, you might want to white it out so you can get the full effect of this. But it is absolutely gorgeous. I cannot wait to use it. I love it. I love the watercolor florals. It's so cute. So that is all of the washi laid out. All right guys, so we have reached the point of the mystery item. I am going to go ahead and share it at this point. So if you do not want to be spoiled, go ahead and click off on the video. Make sure you leave a comment and a like before you leave. I appreciate you so much for watching. But again, the mystery item is about to come up. All right. So this month mystery item was a adhesive pocket. So it is that vegan leather material. It has like a cloth inside, so whatever you put in the pocket will definitely be protected. And of course you have the signature bow. It is in a very creamy color, and it is just an adhesive pocket on the back, fully adhesive. I did take it out the plastic just so I can investigate what exactly it was, but there is the adhesive, and you can add this to the back of your planner pretty much anywhere you like. And let's see if the sticker sheets actually fit in here too. So here's one of the smaller sticker sheets, the date stickers, and if I can get in there, yep, it fits in there perfectly. The bigger ones won't fit because this is just about the width of it, and you don't want to like bend your sticker pages, but this will fit the date stickers. So if you want to carry around some date stickers with your planner, put this adhesive pocket on there, and then you're good to go. So that is the mystery item. I hope you all enjoyed this unboxing here of the Simply Gilded May 2020 box. Let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comments down below. And as always, if you want it, plan it and do it. Bye guys.